Okay guys, so today we're going to be studying Algebra and it's for grade 9 MYP. So we're going to be going over a range of topics from adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing like terms, and just teaching you the basics today. And we can go in depth later on, so let's get started. So on the board we have a bunch of questions right here that was going to test you on things like terms and your simple arithmetic operations. So the first question on the board is 3x plus 2x. So this one's pretty simple. Both terms have x in them, which means they're like, and all you have to do in this case is just add up the 3 and 2 and keep x after it, right? Keep the x's. And just remember, even if it's, in this case, since it's 3 times x plus 2 times x, you don't add the x's, so you don't add another 2. Just don't do that. Okay, so let's see here a bit more complicated question with 3q squared plus 8q minus 4q plus q minus q squared. So what you want to do here is collect like terms. So I'm just going to grab my red marker and underline the like terms. So let's first of all do the q squares. Keep the polynomials with the highest value first. So like 3q squared and q squared. And thank you. 8q minus 4q. So now let's do the q squared first. So 3q squared minus q squared is simple enough. It's 2q squared. Okay, so we're done with the q squares. Now we can go on to q, or 8 minus 4, it just becomes plus 4q. And if you wanted to, you could just go ahead and take out a common factor, but you probably don't have to do this currently, so we're just going to move on to the next one. So next question, 8y times 3. So simple enough, you just multiply the 8 and 3 and make it 24y. Simple enough. So the next one, 6 times 3x over 2x times 5. So it's kind of like this. You just do this on the numerator and the denominator. So it becomes 18x over 10x. And as you can see here, you have x in the numerator and x in the denominator. So you can cancel that out. So you can cancel out the x and then you can basically reduce the numbers here. So this becomes 5. This becomes 9. So it can become 9 over 5.
Just to remind you, in the end of every video we'll have worksheets in the description down below about the topic you just learned. I hope you enjoy and practice.